Assalamu alaikum and good morning, class. How are you today? I hope everyone is doing fine. For our class today, we are going to do your activity book, your science activity book, this book. You can open page 40. Page 40. Okay, let's start with the date. Today is 2nd of August. A-U-G-U-S-T. August 2021. Okay, let's read the title. My orchid plant. My orchid plant. Let's read the instruction. Observe the orchid plant. Complete the sentences below with the characteristics of this plant. Okay, it's given here a diagram, a picture of an orchid plant. We are going to complete all these sentences about the characteristics of this plant. Let's look at the first sentence. This is an orchid plant. How to spell orchid? O-R-C-H-I-D. Orchid. O-R-C-H-D. Orchid. Okay, let's move on to the second sentence. This plant has flower. Flower. Okay, how to spell flower? F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Next, let's read the third sentence. This plant has vein. What type of vein does this plant have? Look at the diagram. Look at the vein, the leaves. Is it netted or parallel? Yes, this is parallel vein. So how to spell parallel? P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L. Parallel vein. Okay, good. Now let's do the fourth sentence. The stem of the plant is it woody or non-woody? Yes, this is non-woody stem. How to spell non-woody? N-O-N-W-O-O-D-Y. Non-woody. Now let's look at the last sentence. The type of root is it fibrous root or is it taproot? Very good. This is fibrous root. How to spell fibrous? F-I-B-R-O-U-S. Fibrous. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, class.